Apostrophe S. One letter but different meanings. Hello everyone and welcome to my English planet. Did you know that apostrophe S doesn't always mean the same thing? In fact, it has 3 different meanings. And in today's video, I will show you the meanings and more importantly, I will tell you how to recognize them. Make sure to watch the entire lesson because after these 2 minutes, I will show you a quiz and you have to answer that one to make sure that you have learned this lesson. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel to see more English videos. Now, let's get started. Here is the timer. Well, I have only 2 minutes. Okay, so let's start. Well, apostrophe S has 3 different meanings. Number 1, it shows possession. Okay? For example, it shows that something belongs to someone or there's a relationship between 2 nouns like, this is Sarah's phone. It means that the phone belongs to Sarah. Or he is my student's father. Whose father? My student's father. Number 2, the short form of is, like she's tired. She is tired. He's dancing. He is dancing. It's raining. It is raining. And number 3, short form of has in present perfect sentences. Like she's done her homework. She has done. Okay? Or he's gone home. He has gone home. So these are 3 different meanings of apostrophe S. And now, how can we understand the meaning of apostrophe S? The answer is simple. Look at the word that comes after it. If it is followed by a noun, we can understand that it is showing us the possession, like Sarah's phone, okay, the dog's eyes, my student's father. If it is followed by an adjective or an ing verb or a place or I don't know, maybe something that describes that noun, well, it's showing us that it is like she's tired, an adjective, or the cat's under the table. Okay, she's a teacher. And number 3, has. When after apostrophe S, you can see past participle, the 3rd form of a verb, you can understand that it is has. She has finished. She's finished. Okay? Or I don't know, he's done. He has done. It's gone. It has gone. Well, I can see that I have, oh, okay, finished, done, no more, okay, yeah, I have no more seconds and it is done, okay? I explained the different meanings of apostrophe S in only 2 minutes for you. Yeah, finished. And now here comes the quiz. Here are 3 sentences on the screen. You should check them and then go to the comments and tell me. Here, apostrophe S means what? In sentence number 1, sentence number 2, and sentence number 3. Is it has, is, or possession? And if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share this video with someone who is learning English. I love you all so much and I will see you in the next one. Bye!